guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic, and we're here today with a new video. So as you guys can see, we're in a new quadrant of my small room. This is my closet area. Behind me is my shoe area of my closet. And as you guys may or may not know, today is March 26th, which means it is Airmax Day. So happy Airmax Day. In case you guys don't know, I'm a huge sneakerhead. Like, I love sneakers, as you guys can see. I love sneakers. And I wanted to share my top 5 Airmax with you all today. So that's what we'll be doing in today's video. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, if you like these sneakers. If you're also a sneakerhead, if you rock with this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And drop a comment down below after you watch this entire video with your thoughts, with your comments, with your opinions. Leave them down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So, just in case you guys don't know, my sneaker collection has been a thing for the past maybe like 10 years. My feet have legit not grew. So, a lot of sneakers I have here, I've been collecting them for years. Some are recent releases, some are old sneakers. So, we just have a compilation of a range of time. But these are my top five Airmax in my sneaker collection. So my first favorite pair of Airmax, these are in no particular order, by the way. I'm just gonna go through them. My first pair are my Airmax 270s. I think these are super cute. I purchased these from 602 in the mall maybe like 2 years ago, and I think the retail price for these were like $120. I love them because I don't have that many sneakers that are white, and then I also love how it has this pop of like this fruit punch pink color and then this cobalt blue / purple detailing. But I think these are super cute. They're so comfortable. These sneakers, I wear them to the gym, I wear them to Target, I wear them like to dress up. They're super cute. The only thing about the 270 style, which I was kind of skeptical about, is that the tongue doesn't move. So it's just like, it's just there. Like, I gotta force my fat foot in there. So it's like kind of hard to put them on at first, but after you break them in, it's fine. Also, these sneakers are very breathable with the material, which makes them perfect for working out. I prefer to use this pair to work out because, one, I got more fitness clothes to match this colorway, but two, they're super breathable. I feel like I don't have that many gym sneakers that allow my feet to breathe, you know? So I like these for working out. Love the color, love the style. I also wanted these in like the Tiffany blue kind of color. I'll go ahead and put a picture on the screen, but I wanted those and they sold out like so fast. So if I find them like for retail still, I'll go ahead and buy them. But these 270s, my favorite colorway, and I love this style of Airmax. So my next favorites, which is an OG, are my Airmax 97s in gold. These are, they're beat up, okay, because I wear them so much. But a gold sneaker is so rare to come by, and they're so comfortable. Like, when I tell you guys that these sneakers are comfy, they are comfy. So I do have the silver as well. I'm not going to feature them in this video because I was like, I like the gold better than the silver, so the gold made it to the cut, okay? But I love them. They're super comfortable. I love how it has like the red accent against the gold. Yeah, who's riding their motorcycle? We supposed to be in quarantine. And I think the retail for these were like $160. I got them when they released maybe like 3 or 4 years ago. I don't remember. But I love them so much. I feel like they add a special touch to any outfit that you put them on with. You can put it on with a sweatsuit, and this will be like your statement piece of your outfit. So I really, really love these sneakers. Once they come out again, I will be copying myself another pair. So my next favorite pair of Airmax are my Airmax Plus 3s. These are them, and I got these from N Clothing. I actually entered a raffle for these, and I actually won. Probably my first raffle on N Clothing that I actually won. But I love these. These sneakers remind me of like clouds with the colorway and like the ombre effect of them. At first, they gave me like masculine vibes, but honestly, depending on what you wear them with, like, you will and you can body. So these are super comfortable. These are like my errand, wanna look cute Airmax. So when I'm running to USPS or UPS and I wanna look kind of cute, I throw it on with a gray sweatsuit, a black sweatsuit, and I feel like it's just a tee. But I do plan on dressing these up more. I recently wore them in a photo shoot I did in Central Park. I'll go ahead and put a picture here. It hasn't hit Instagram yet, so YouTube saw it first. But I want to dress these up more because I feel like you can do so much, especially with like the cage detail on them. So that's what I'm planning to do. But these are my third pair of my favorite Airmax. Okay, so my next pair of favorite Airmax are from back in the day. I don't even remember what year these came out in, and I purchased them and I got them for retail, and I feel like ever since I got them I have been treating them like a prized possession, because when I got them I feel like most of my friends wanted them and I was the only one who got them. And also they're very unique. Like I have not seen anybody. I be wondering like who be getting these sneakers when I see nobody wearing them. Like is it just me? But anyway, the next favorite pair of Airmax that I have are a pair of Airmax 90s, and I believe this collection that came out, they came out with several different Airmaxes with this print, but these are the, I believe they were called Liberty Airmax 90s, and I think they are so cute. Like the baby blue paisley with this like tangerine orange detail with it. I think it's so cute. So one thing about these is that the whole sneaker is like a cloth material, so I'm never able to wear these in the rain. I'm never able to wear them like, you know, with weather outside. They're more of like a summer sneaker, like a dry summer day sneaker, but they look so cute on. I don't know what it is about Airmax 90s, but they make my feet look smaller. So comment down below and let me know if you guys think Airmax 90s make your feet look smaller as well, or if it's just me. Comment down below and let me know. But I haven't worn these in years, literally. I told you guys I've been growing my sneaker collection for like a decade now. So I do plan on bringing these out this summer. I have a perfect outfit that can go with this, actually like an orange outfit. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how that looks. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so y'all can see those pictures when they drop. But these are my fourth favorite pair of Airmax. Okay, so last but not least, these weren't in any particular order, but I wore these today, so I had the box out, so you know, I don't know. But these are the last pair, and as I mentioned, I had these on today. I also did an unboxing when I first got these, but these are my Airmax 200s, and the Legend of Her. They came out with the Legend of Her collection, I believe. I did an unboxing. I'll go ahead and link that above when I first got these. But in that video, I mentioned that I went to a Nike event, and basically they were speaking about how the swoosh was invented by a woman. So for Airmax Day, I was like, Airmax Day, March 26th. March is actually Women's History Month. So I feel like these were the perfect pair for me to highlight in my Instagram photos for Airmax Day. But these are so comfortable, Airmax 200s. I love them. Like this was my first pair, and I'm honestly looking for another fire colorway to purchase. So if you guys have any suggestions on other colorways that you guys think I would like, comment down below. Retail only. I'm not paying resale for no Airmax. Like I don't know if it's just me, but I'm just not. So these are them. I think they're super cute. I love the colorway. You can do so much with it. I'll go ahead and put some pictures from my little photo shoot on my blog today, so y'all can see how I style them. But I think they're so versatile. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, and they still look good. So love these sneakers. Today was actually my first day wearing them, I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to wear them for a while, but I had outfits in the queue, so they had to wait. But I do plan on bringing these out a lot this summer if we have a summer, so you guys should expect to see these more. But these are my last pair of favorite Airmax. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to do a special video on my channel to highlight Airmax Day, as well as give you guys more sneaker content. I have so many ideas and things that I want to do when it comes to sneaker content here on my YouTube channel. So if you guys have any suggestions or anything you guys want to see, then comment down below and let me know, period. But I have so many sneakers, so I want to do like a lot of things, and y'all gonna see it, because when I say I'm gonna make something happen, I make it happen. So no doubt about that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know which pair I showed today you guys like the most. Let me know what your favorite pair of Airmax are, as well as the colorway or the name of the Airmax. I'm interested to know. And if you guys want to see more sneaker content, if you guys want to see more of me, your girl Kensthetic, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Smash that subscribe button. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers, and it's gonna be a very, very big thing on my channel. So make sure y'all subscribe. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, not a thumbs down, thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget, and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on Twitter at Kensthetic_, period. Because yeah, you guys get to see more of me there. But that's it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and eat because I'm hungry now. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later.